Hello friends, happy morning. This is Sanjay Manna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I would like to talk about Father of Nation. The Father of Nation name is Mahatma Gandhi. He was a great leader. He was a great philosopher. He was playing very effective role in order to getting freedom, in order to getting independence from the British Empire. He was born 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. When he was fighting against British Empire, at that time his follower called him Mahatma. Mahatma, it is a Sanskrit word. Its meaning says that great human. Really, he was a great human. Because if you go to any corner of India, you will see his statue. And today, his birthday. Entire country peoples are going to celebrating his birthday. On his birthday, today I will bring one rebel from his life. The rebel was Dandi March. The rebel was Salt March. Before that, let me share you one quote from his life. He said that it is easy to stand in the crowd, but it takes courage to stand down. Let's start it with the I am going to narrating the Salt March story in front of you. Whenever British Empire they were ruling their kingdom in India, people were suffering lot of issues in terms of poverty, in terms of health issues. People were facing lot of crises, and in 1930 British Empire formed one rules regarding salt, and that rules was people will not make salt and will not make business or will not sell to anyone except government permission. And that articles read Mahatma Gandhi. After that, he was disappointed toward British. Then he called few people and he said to the common people that we need air, we need water, unless that we cannot alive, and as well as salt is required in our life, otherwise we cannot make food. Then he gathered 80 people and they started rally from Gandhi Ashram in Ahmedabad, and they had destination Dandi village. It was located south side Gujarat. So they started 12 March 1930 and they were covering 12 mile every day. While they were going to their destination, they saw number of people were coming to join their rally, and they got courage and strength. After 21 days, they reached their destination, and Gandhi took the salt from the ocean and he said in front of common people that now I am going to shake foundation of British Empire. And within couple of days, British army captured 80,000 people along Mahatma Gandhi and to send to the prison. In spite of rally could not stop. Then British Empire realized we need to compromise with Indian people. Then they invited Mahatma Gandhi to join their meeting in London. And after discussion, they formed new rules regarding salt. That was the story behind Mahatma Gandhi. Then what you know story about Mahatma Gandhi? Please write your story in the comment box. I will happy to read. Thank you guys listening my speech since last couple of minutes. I will meet to you with new and interesting and learnable topic. Thank you guys.